Hey guys, I'm back with the get ready with me video, so let's hop right in. So first, I'm going to use my Chi Infusion Silk Drops and apply that all throughout my hair just to give it a smoother texture after I straighten it. And it's not really a get ready with me video until there's champagne, right? So this hair is absolutely amazing. This hair is by Sweet Lily's Hair Company based out of Richmond, Virginia. It is a small company, but let me tell you, this is a diamond, okay? So affordable, and the hair is super soft and straightens very well. I have 3 inches of body wave in 16, 18, and 20 inches long, and I also have the bundles cut just for a cleaner look. So far so good. I really love this hair. I'll tag the company's information below so you guys can check it out. And before I do my makeup, I'm going to use my EcoStyle Gel, my Vante's Edge Control, and my Everest Edge Style Tool Brush to go ahead and sleek my edges down before I get started on my face. And guys, don't sleep on them. They are usually always having a sale. Be sure to check them out on Instagram, Sweet Lily's Hair Company. I'll tag it below. Now with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in 3.5, I'm going to go ahead and outline my brows just to give it a neater look. Personally, I like to use the same concealer I use on my brows just to prime my eyelids, and then I'll blend that out with the Beauty Blender, then going through with the spoolie just to work through any harsh lines in my brows. I like to use the Benefit Give Me Brow Gel just to smoothen things out. Now I'm going in with my Morphe 350 palette and some other individual colors that I purchased from Morphe as well, and I'm going to start creating my eye look. I wanted to create a fairly simple bronze look, so as you can see, I'm creating some definition in my crease and going in with a steel bronzish color and packing that onto my lid. Using a very yellowish gold, I'm going to go ahead and apply that into my inner tear duct. And to complete this eye look, I am going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Liquid Eyeliner. Y'all know I love a winged eye, and I'm going to apply that gently until I have the desired winged eyeliner that I want. Take your time with this because it can be a little tricky. It is lash time. I'm using Lashes in a Box in number 13 that I purchased from NYX in North Hollywood, California, and I'm using my Duo Lash Glue to apply that with my Sigma tweezers. Getting started on my foundation, I'm going to pair my Bobbi Brown foundation along with my Cover FX Hydration Infusion Drops, mixing that together, blending it all over my face with a Morphe And now I'm going through just adding some more Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in 3.5. For highlighting and contouring, I like to use my Sonia Kashuk cream bronzer to contour, along with my Laura Mercier translucent powder to go ahead and set my concealer that I applied everywhere on my face. Adding closure to this look, I'm going to go in with my MAC Chestnut Lip Liner along with a dose of colors. Lipstick, I cannot recall the name, but I'll link it below. And also applying a nude lip gloss over top of that. And this, my friend, is a girl's worst fear. I totally thought I broke my FENTY trophy wife highlighter, but we're all good. So now I'm going through and highlighting my cheekbones with this beautiful highlighter. I love this to complete any look. Alright, it's a wrap. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.